Welcome. This video tutorial shows how we can use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to help us understand what exactly the Excel formula we just used does. This comes quite handy as we can ask for an explanation right inside Excel. Isn't that great? Let's have a look at how it works on a couple of examples now. Hello, and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Frank, and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. In the last video, we covered how to create Excel formulas. Super easy with AI. We had a look at how we can generate an Excel formula in a quick and easy way based on a simple description of what you need to do in a data table. If you haven't had time to watch it yet, make sure to do so to get a complete picture of how AI can make work in Excel easier for you. The link to the video is in the description below. Now we can move on and have a look at how we can find out what exactly an Excel formula does, thanks to AI. And again, as previously, we're going to use this amazing AI-aided formula editor tool, which is paid, but you can add it to Excel and try it out for free right after you've finished watching this video. The step-by-step procedure of how to do that is provided in the last tutorial. Here, we're going to go through another interesting feature of this AI tool. So, if you'd like to know what each formula in our spreadsheet does, we'll use this cell formula part here. We'll leave it on, and we'll hide the formula generator used previously by simply clicking on it. We also need to click on Console here, because we'll need AI to provide us with the formula explanation in this grey field. So, let's start analyzing various formulas we've got here, and we can start with something really simple. We can click on the cell C8, and the formula from this cell gets copied immediately and shows in the editor. Now we can just press this button with a speech bubble, and AI provides us with an explanation right away. This Excel formula calculates the sum of the values in the cell range C3 to C7, which includes cells C3, C4, C5, C6, and C7. Great! Here we've got a clear and specific explanation. We can use this crossed circle sign to remove the explanation and move on. Now we click on D8, where there's another formula. We use the speech bubble button again, and here we go with another explanation. This Excel formula calculates the average or mean value of the range of cells from D3 to D7 in the spreadsheet. If needed, we can click on the button again and we'll get another more detailed explanation, which might cast more light on how things work. After the second attempt, the explanation comes to this. Then, this. One more click and we've got the most comprehensive answer, which is, this Excel formula calculates the average value of the range of cells from D3 to D7, i.e. it adds the values in cells D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7, and then divides the sum by the number of cells, 5 in this case, to find the average. Perfect. Everything clear. Now we can move on to something more complicated. Let's click on the cell F8, and we can see that the formula there looks a bit more complex. Again, we ask AI for an explanation, and here we go. This Excel formula checks if there is any value equal to 1 in the range F3 to F7. If there is at least one value equal to 1 in that range, the formula returns yes. Otherwise, it returns no. Let's check that out. If we change the value 1 to, let's say, number 8, and there will be no value equal to 1 in column F, the formula returns no. So even this explanation is correct, and the formula works as described. You can use the same way to ask AI for an explanation of any formula you need to analyze at that moment. However, we must remind you to be aware that one cannot rely on AI completely. It's important to use common sense and bear in mind that AI is still learning, still advancing. But even now, it can be a great help while using Excel. So, are you ready to give ChatGPT inside Excel a try? Share your ideas with us in the comments section below. We'll be happy to hear from you. And as we mentioned before, make sure to watch the first part of this series of video tutorials about ChatGPT, how to create Excel formulas super easy with AI. And you'll see how you can add this amazing tool to Excel in a simple way. The link to the video is in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch another video tutorial by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the EasyClickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.